The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Morris County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, east central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Long Valley, or 17 miles northwest of Somerville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newton, Dover, Hopatcong, Kinnelon, Hackettstown, Boonton, Butler, Wharton, Washington, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Franklin, Mendham, Mountain Lakes, Stanhope, Hamburg, Big Kong, Oxford, and Ogdensburg. This includes Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 17 and 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Sussex, and Warren.